Kwentong Baguio, come and join us, the Gam fam, as we make Baguio our second home. Hi everyone! Welcome to the first vlog of the Gam fam. We are now here in TP-Lex and we're going to Baguio for Ate's enrollment tomorrow. It's 7:29 in the evening and our ETA is at 9:27. Nag-stop over kami dito sa may Petron to have a light meal at para mainom din tong baon kong coffee. So this is what we got from Chowking. Wonton soup for them and a chow fan with fried siomai for myself. We also ordered for siopaw, syempre our favorite, buchi. And after ngang makapag-siopaw and coffee, we're back on the road. Nagpa-exit na kami dito sa TP-Lex and we're on our way na to Baguio via Quezon Road. Ayan. So, this path is mga around 1 hour na lang or 1.5 hour na lang to Baguio. So there, Baguio, we're coming. Ayan, Baguio via Quezon. Yan, sobrang dilim dyan. Yung travel namin na yan. Pero okay lang naman. And here, we arrive at our destination. This is our home, Hotel Elizabeth, for 2 nights. Sobrang tahimik na ng mga oras na to dyan sa hotel because it's already 10:30 or mga around 11 o'clock na when we arrived. Yan. And so, tomorrow is Ate's enrollment. Ang enrollment starts at 8 o'clock pero sabi niya, she needs to be there at 6 a.m. para wala pang masyadong pila. Yan, naglilinis na sila there. Merong coffee shop din dito sa Hotel Elizabeth. So, we'll try that tomorrow. Ayan, naglilinis na yung mga staff dyan. At wala nang tao. Resting na ang mga guest. And so, our accommodation comes with buffet breakfast. But since hindi makapag-breakfast si ate, the hotel offers a packed breakfast for her. Tomorrow then, after her enrollment, ay pupuntahan namin yung mga nasa list namin na room for rent. Mga nakausap ko na yon. And I told them that we're going to see the place tomorrow. So, we're hoping na makakuha ng room for her na walking distance lang to UP or malapit lang kung magko-commute. Ayan. So, let's now go up to our room. So, this is our room. Ayan. Pasensya na sa mga gamit. Nakapag-unload na ako ng aming mga things bago ko naisipan mag-video. So, there. Here is the CR. Okay naman siya. Malaki rin naman. Spacious din yung room. 2 beds for 4 of us. Ayan. Tabi si Daddy and si Bunso at tabi naman kami ni ate. So, ayan, ang aming mga things. Meron ding ref, TV, at merong pa coffee set din tong aming room. So, there. We'll take a rest na at maaga pa kami tomorrow. Good night! Good morning, Baguio. It's around 6 a.m. at this time. Ayan ang aming view from our room sa may veranda. Ayan, hahatid muna namin si ate kasi gusto niya na dong mauna sa pila. And then we'll just go back for the buffet breakfast after namin siya mahatid. She's already preparing. Ayan siya. Ready na. And then, Here we are in UP Baguio. Ayan, wala pang masyadong tao dyan when we arrived. Although, meron na rin namang mga, ayan, medyo pila na rin sa entrance. So, iwanan na namin siya dyan since ayaw niya magpasama. And then, we'll go back to the hotel and eat our breakfast. There you go. Ang aming estudyante bringing her packed lunch from the hotel and goodbye muna. Good luck. Yan, balik na kami sa hotel. Malapit lang naman yung hotel from UP, mga around 10 minutes lang. So, kung maaga matapos si ate, susundiin na lang namin siya. So, here we are. Let's have breakfast. Ayan na yung mga food. And this is what I got. Yan, marami pang mga breakfast. May mga bread spa and cereal. Meron ding French toast and kakanin for dessert. Ayan. Masarap naman yung kanilang breakfast. Hindi ko lang tinikman yung medyo gulay dyan. And then, we're back to our room. Ito mga around 9 o'clock na to. Yan, foggy na yung view from our room. While waiting for ate, maghahanap muna ako ng mga iba pang room for rent. Ito nga pala yung lion from last night. Hindi ko nasama sa video kanina. Siyempre, pag may bagyo, may palayon. Tumatawag na si ate, finish na ang kanyang enrollment. Mabilis lang pala mag-enroll dito sa UP Baguio. So after this ay pupuntahan na namin yung first on our list, yung condo sa may Bakaking. Ayan, there she is. She's now officially an iska ng bayan. There you go. Sa Bakaking area lahat yung pupuntahan namin today because according to them, one ride lang yon from UP and walking distance lang din. So this is the first one. This is the condo in Bakaking. Okay to sa akin, sa amin ni Daddy kasi ito ay may 24 hours na guard. Meron na ring lutuan, ref, hot shower, ganyan. This is good for 2 to 3 persons. Ayan, pero parang ayaw ni ate dito kasi malayo yung bababaan na jeep at medyo malayo-layo rin at matalik yung lalakarin paakyat. Tingnan daw muna namin yung iba pang nasa list namin. So, yung second one, no na yon para sa amin kasi masikip masyado. There are 4 occupants in a room and 8 occupants in a unit na mag-share sa CR. So, yung katabi noon naman ay ito. Okay sana din ito kasi mag-isa lang si ate dito nakatira sa bahay. Then, pinaparent niya yung mga rooms. But, meron siya kasing male na occupants dyan. So, no. Meron sa tapat nito, okay din sana, maluwag, malinis, pero meron ding mga kasamang mga boys. So, no din yon. So, no, lahat ng pinuntahan namin dito sa may Bakekang area ay Bakaking pala. This one is in Ferguson Road. Medyo malayo na sa UP. No to kasi hindi maganda yung room although meron siyang sariling CR. Medyo old na yung kanyang room. On our way to Moldex para tumingin sana doon ng mga room ay nakita namin to. Ayan. This is in Upper QM. Yan. Meron silang rooms with own CR na for 2 with veranda and then rooms with own CR for 3. Yan. So, ang chinek namin ay yung rooms for 3 with own CR kasi yung with veranda medyo maliit. Pero okay na rin naman yun. Ayaw lang doon ni ate kasi meron nang naunang nagpa-reserve doon. So, ito yung kanyang common area. Ayan. Yung sala, meron siyang sala. And then, meron na rin siyang kitchen, dining area, ref, stove. Yan, may own wifi to. Inclusive na sa bayad, pati kuryente, and water. So, here is the room. Ayan, may sariling cabinet. Therefore, 3 yan kasi may pull up pa yung isang bed. Yan, sabi nung caretaker dyan, ay papalitan nila to ng dalawang single bed kasi yung isa yata ay double bed. So ito nagustuhan to ni ate kasi maluwag and then maaliwalas, malinis, bagong pintura yung room. Ayan. Yan. At wala pa nagpapareserve dyan. Siya pa lang ang tenant. So, dalawa pa lang sila ang nagpapareserve. Yan. Okay rin yung CR. May hot and cold shower din. So, ito na daw. Hindi na kayo pupunta ng Moldex. Supposedly, dalawa sila dito sa room ng friend niya na mag-enroll din sa UP. Na nag-enroll din pala sa UP. Pero, hindi pumayag yung parents kasi itong area ay 2 rides pa to UP. Although malapit lang, pero walang diretsong ruta ng jeep. But pagba naman ng jeep, gate na nung bahay, nung unit. So, okay na rin daw dito si ate kahit mag-isa lang siya sa room. Hindi na daw namin hihintayin yung nasa Engineers Hill na walking distance lang from UP. Diyan na siya kahit daw magko-commute. Ayan, ito si Bunso, picture from the hotel. At ito naman yung lunch namin. This is Hill Station Bistro in Camp John-Hay. Masarap dyan yung kanilang food. Try nyo. This one naman in Tom and Tom's in NLEX on our way home. Ito naman yung dinner namin. Yan. Sarap din yung coffee dito. This is the pizza that ate had. Ito naman yung kanilang sausage and salad platter and pretzels. Some more pictures of ate from our hotel in Baguio. So, next na balik namin ay next month na for the orientation at para maglipat na rin ng kanyang mga gamit. Pagbalik namin, we plan to go around Baguio na through jeep at naglalakad to get to know Baguio more. So there, see you next month. Bye!